So you still haven't got hired at that work from home job? Try this. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I've done a few videos talking about, if you can't find a work from home job, what you can do to earn some extra money. And one of those videos, I talked about how you could basically create a YouTube channel and talk about your experience, trying to find a work from home job and actually hopefully getting your YouTube channel monetized where you can make money talking about, working from home and trying to get a job. And I also talked about how you could become an affiliate of, work from home related programs. And one of the ones I talked about was flex jobs. All right. So in this video, I want to talk about another method. Now, this is something that I feel anyone can do, but this will take some damn effort. All right. And like I said in them other videos, like if you trying to work from home and you're looking for a work from home job, you should have no problem putting in some work. All right, so this method is very simple and straightforward. And like I said, you can get started with this today. And it is creating a review YouTube channel. All right, so it's basically you creating a YouTube channel and you just reviewing whatever you want to review. All right, and it could be damn near anything. So there are a couple ways that you're going to be able to make money with this method. Now, the first way obviously is, getting your YouTube channel monetized and, getting paid from the ads that's shown on your videos, right? That's the one that everybody talks about, everybody knows about. The problem with this is it could take a while for your YouTube channel to get monetized because you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and I think 4,000 watch hours on your videos to be able to get, fully monetized. But that can come and it should come in the future. But how you can start generating cash now, or at least this week, is by becoming an affiliate. So everything that you review on your channel, you want to have some sort of affiliate link in your description where your viewers could actually go and purchase that. First of all, like I said, you can keep this super simple. Like the name of your channel could be simply like your first name followed by reviews, right? So if your name is Jody, your channel could be called Jody's Reviews, right? Or Jody's Favorite Reviews, whatever you want to call it, right? Just keep it simple. Keep it simple, but you can name it whatever you want and just throw the word reviews on it. Now, because it is a review channel, yes, you can, keep it in a particular niche if you want to. Like I'm a fitness dude. So I got another channel all about fitness. So I review all kinds of fitness products and whatever, right? But, if you have a particular niche you want to be in and you got a lot of products related to that, great. But if you just don't care and you just want to just get content out there, get some affiliate sales, you can literally review whatever you want. All right. Like, for example, and this things I'm actually going to be doing on my other channel. And so, for example, I just got these new BCAAs. This for helping you, build muscle and maintain muscle, right? So this is a new product I'm actually going to do a review on. All right, check this out. This is something I got for Christmas. Didn't even open it yet. It's a massage gun. All right, did I say that shit right? It's a massage gun. So I'm gonna do a review on this. Look, it ain't even open yet. So boom, right? Now this was a Christmas gift. So as I'm looking around, look, I got this. Hold on now. I got this right here. I got a new, like a Fitbit watch, to count my calories and everything because I'm about to start a weight cut. But look, didn't even open this yet. I'm gonna do a review on it. All right. What else? Look, I already did a review on this, but look. This is a back massager thing. Already did a review on this. All right. And this was actually a gift. So why I keep on talking about like gifts, because a lot of people were like, I can't start a review channel because, I ain't buying all this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't got money to be buying stuff to review it. Nah. First of all, start with things you already have. All right. Because like I said, that massager, Think about gifts that you got in the past. What did you get for your birthday? What did you get for Christmas? You know what I'm saying? Or what is things that you already have? A lot of people get it twisted, and when they think about doing reviews, they think about, well, it has to be new to me. No, it's going to be new to somebody else who's searching for reviews, right? So just think about things that you already have. I just did a review on a new tripod that I got. Actually, it's going to be on this channel. But, you know, I just did that. I just bought a card deck shuffling machine. The shuffle cards, right? Because me and my family play cards once a month, right? I'm going to do a review on that. I don't know where the hell channel I'm going to put it on. But, like, you can review anything. Now you might be like, all right, cool. I got all this shit. Like, I know what I want to review. I got all kinds of stuff, right? So where are you going to get, you know, affiliate links? How are you going to get paid? Well, the first place I always tell people to check out is try to become an Amazon affiliate. Now, I'm the first person to tell you that Amazon, in my opinion, they have commissions, right? So when you get approved to be an Amazon affiliate, you're looking at, 4 to 6% per sale that you generate, right? But to be fair, the money does add up, right? Because a lot of people will shop on Amazon. A lot of people are very familiar and comfortable shopping on Amazon. Plus, Amazon has this thing where if somebody clicks on your Amazon link, right? They're maybe looking at, hypothetically, this supplement, right? So say somebody like, ooh, I want to try that, BCAAs. They click on the link. Say they don't even buy this, right? But like 3 hours later, they scrolling and they're like, oh shit, I need a new computer for whatever. And they get a $1,000 computer on Amazon, right? I get that commission for that computer. I get that commission for that computer. And I think they have it for a certain period of time. When somebody clicks on your link, I don't know if it's 48 hours or whatever it is, anything that person buys, you get the commission for. So although you might be promoting things that's $20, $30, that could turn into, people buying $200 purchases, $1,000 purchases. So you want to keep that in mind. Now, one other thing you want to realize about Amazon is you do have to become approved, right? And in most cases, you have to show some sort of online presence, whether it be like you have to have a following on like either YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You have to be able to show, you have some sort of online presence. So you might be like, damn, like this is good ass idea, but I don't got none of that, right? It's cool. It's cool. What you can try is to become an affiliate of Walmart.com because they have about the same commission rates and it's a lot easier to get approved with Walmart. Because Walmart, they're like, yo, you don't have to have a big following. You don't have to be an influencer, whatever. And you can, just apply to be an affiliate with them and do the same thing you would do with Amazon. Get your affiliate links and put them in the description of your videos. Now, another place that you could become an affiliate with, and I talked about this before, but eBay. A lot of people don't even know eBay has a partner program that you can apply to. So whenever you talk about something, you can literally find it. If it's being sold on eBay, get your affiliate link, and once again, put it in the description of your videos. Now, another thing I want you to do if you like this idea is really think outside of the box, all right? Because say, for example, you got like a lawnmower or a tractor or something, like really big and fancy. You can just get on Google, find whatever the item is, and look at affiliate programs. Because sometimes companies actually have referral programs. For example, going back to the whole fitness thing, like there are, what's the one company? I think like Nordic Track. Right? Like they have expensive treadmills and stationary bikes and all that stuff, ellipticals. Like you can become an affiliate of like Nordic Track, right? Different companies like that where you can go directly to the company and you can get like 5-10% commissions. So imagine you're selling things, that's $2,000, $5,000. That's how you can start making, $50 to $200 commissions just by giving reviews. So like if you really want to do this method, like think outside the box. Don't just think like, oh, what do I supplements and, you know, toys and things like that. I mean, really think about things you have and figure out if it has an affiliate program related to it. Like keeping it all the way real, this is one of the best ways to start generating some extra cash while you're waiting for that work from home job to come through. But the cool thing about this method is even once you get that work from home job, you still could do this. You still could do this on the side. And hell, you on YouTube, you know how this works. Your channel could mess around and be huge. All right. So this is something you can do and you can start it right now. Like for real, if you feeling this idea, you like this method, don't click on the next video that's gonna pop up or whatever. Start your channel now. If you know you're gonna do this, stop what you're doing, at least go and create your YouTube channel. Jody's reviews, Tom's reviews, Katie's reviews, whoever you are, reviews. At least do that. So hell, look, check this out. If you actually decide to use this method and you create your own review channel, you are more than welcome to come back to this video and share your review channel in the comments, right? And hopefully that'll help you get some traffic and maybe even some commissions. So you wanted a way to earn some extra cash online, you just got it.